Progressive English Learning.
Don't worry. Simple English practice can make you confident very fast. Part 1. Booking a train ticket at the station counter.
Hello, I want to book a ticket. Can you help me?
Of course, I will help you. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to Delhi tomorrow. Is a seat available?
Yes, seats are available on the morning train.
What time does the train leave?
The train leaves at 9:30 in the morning.
How much is the ticket price?
The ticket costs 500 rupees.
Are there any window seats available?
Yes, one window seat is available.
That sounds good. Can you book it for me?
Yes, I am booking it for you now.
Do I need to show my ID card?
Yes, please show your ID card for verification.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card or cash.
Here is my card. Is the payment done?
Yes, the payment is successful. Here is your ticket.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a safe journey.
The correct answer is option C. The correct answer is option D. The correct answer is option A. The correct answer is option C. Part 2. Checking in at the airport counter.
Good morning. Can I check in for my flight here?
Good morning. Yes, you can check in at this counter.
What documents do you need from me?
I need your passport and your ticket, please.
Here they are. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is correct. Thank you.
Do I need to check in my luggage?
Yes, please place your luggage on the scale.
Is my luggage weight fine?
Yes, the weight is within the limit.
Can I get a window seat, please?
Yes, a window seat is available for you.
What time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 10:15 a.m. at Gate 12.
How can I reach Gate 12?
Go straight and follow the signs to your left.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Is there anything else I should know?
Please reach the gate 30 minutes before boarding time.
The correct answer is option B. The correct answer is option C. The correct answer is option B. The correct answer is option D. Part 3. Security check and boarding at the airport gate.
Excuse me, where is the security check area?
It is straight ahead near the escalator.
Do I need to show my boarding pass here?
Yes, please show your boarding pass and passport.
Should I place my bag on the belt?
Yes, put your bag on the belt for scanning.
Do I need to remove my shoes?
Yes, please remove your shoes and metal items.
Is my laptop okay inside the bag?
Please take it out and put it in a separate tray.
Thank you. Is the security check finished now?
Yes, you are done. You can collect your items.
Where is the boarding gate for flight A12?
The boarding gate is to your right, near gate 5.
Has boarding started already?
Yes, boarding started a few minutes ago.
Can I go to the gate now?
Yes, please go quickly and show your boarding pass there.
Thank you for guiding me.
You are welcome. Have a safe flight.
The correct answer is option B. The correct answer is option D. The correct answer is option C. The correct answer is option D. Part 4. Talking with a flight attendant inside the airplane.
Excuse me, is this seat 14A?
Yes, that is your seat by the window.
Can I place my bag under the seat?
Yes, you can place it under the seat in front of you.
Where can I keep my jacket?
You can keep it in the overhead bin.
How do I fasten the seat belt?
Insert the metal tip into the buckle and pull the strap.
When will the plane take off?
The plane will take off in about 10 minutes.
Can I use my phone now?
Please switch it to airplane mode.
May I have some water, please?
Of course, I will bring you some water.
Is there a meal service on this flight?
Yes, meals will be served after 1 hour.
Where is the restroom on the plane?
It is at the back of the airplane.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Enjoy your flight.
answer is option C. The correct answer is option B. The correct answer is option D. The correct answer is option C. Part 5. Arrival and immigration at the airport.
Excuse me, where is the immigration counter?
It is straight ahead, near the arrival hall.
Do I need to show my passport here?
Yes, please show your passport and arrival form.
Here are my documents. Is everything correct?
Yes, your documents are complete.
How long will the process take?
It will take only a few minutes.
Do you need my fingerprints?
Yes, please place your fingers on the scanner.
Should I look at the camera now?
Yes, please look straight for the photo.
Is the immigration check finished?
Yes, the process is complete now.
Where can I collect my luggage?
You can collect it from belt number 4.
Thank you for your assistance.
You are welcome. Have a pleasant stay.
Is the airport exit near this area?
Yes, the exit gate is just beside the baggage area.
The correct answer is option C. The correct answer is option B. The correct answer is option B. The correct answer is option C.